Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and in this video I will show you how to unlock your phone using your S Pen. Okay, so for example, I just lock my phone. Okay, so you can see over here. Now what I will do, I just press this S Pen button only one time. Okay, and it will unlock the phone. So I will show you. So I press it, so you can see it will unlock the phone, and it also bypass the security, so I don't have to put any kind of pin or any pattern. Okay, so I will show you again. So I will just lock it. Okay, and then I just press this S Pen button. Okay, so you can see it unlocked the phone for me. So how to enable this setting? So first of all, you have to go into the settings. Okay, so I will go into the settings. Once you enter into the settings, you have to scroll down and you see this option of advanced features. Just select it. Once you select it, then go into the S Pen. Okay, so here is the S Pen option. Once you enter into the S Pen, just scroll down and you see this option of more S Pen settings. Just select it. Once you select it, here you see the very first option over here. It says S Pen unlock. Okay, so you have to enable it. Once you enable it, it will ask you to confirm your pin. Okay, so I will put my pin here. Okay, and then I press done. Once you do it, you can see the S Pen unlock is now enabled. Now you have to do one more step. Okay, you have to go back and then you have to lock your phone. Okay, so I will press it. So once I press it, it will ask me one last time for my pin to confirm. Okay, so I will do it. So I will put my pin over here and then I press OK. Okay, now the phone is unlocked. Now if I do it again from now on, for example, if I lock, okay, and now if I press the S Pen button, it will not ask me for the pin and it will directly open my phone. It will directly unlock my phone. So this is how you can use the S Pen button to unlock your Samsung S23 Ultra. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.